What's going on, everyone? Gilman with Live Wealthy Stocks back with another video, making a quick update video on Moderna based on the price action of today. I know I made one on Moderna and BNTX yesterday, but with the price action today, I kind of wanted to update you guys on what's going on. We talked about a key level yesterday that I was watching, which I have some good news to share with you guys. So we'll take a look at how it traded and what that means for the stock moving forward. But real quick, if you enjoy these videos, hit that like button down below. If you want more content on Moderna, let me know down in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you want a deeper technical analysis, I did a video on Moderna this past Sunday, and then I did one on the fall yesterday on Tuesday, and I'm kind of doing an update. So some of the stuff I'm probably not going to repeat as much. So if you want more information, feel free to watch those videos. But if you want just a quick update, this is the video for you. So first and foremost, happy holidays, and wasting no more time, let me hit and we will get right into it. So nice green day from Moderna, something that we've wanted to see for a little bit now. I know some of you guys are in Moderna, including myself, at a higher price than what it is trading at, so it's always stressful to see, why is it dropping so much? Didn't we just get a COVID vaccine? Isn't Moderna approved? Why are we dropping, right? Well, to quickly cover that, the news wasn't necessarily the fact that the FDA approved it. It was more of the progress along the way. So phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, when they said it was 95% effective, that was sort of the news, right? So it was buy the hype, buy the rumor rather, sell the news. So when the FDA news came out, that's when a lot of people started selling. Stock was doing really well, hitting all-time highs just a couple weeks ago. So that's probably what happened. I do think long-term Moderna is a great stock to own. I hope to hold it in my long-term swing portfolio for a while, since I do think that it'll be, up hopefully a year from where it is. Now, one thing to understand is they have technically priced in the value of the vaccines that they're selling, right? That's priced into the stock price. But I do think that there's probably a lot of vaccines that the world still needs to buy, right? Countries still need to buy. More dosage will be produced. Now, I do understand that more companies are producing vaccines as well, but I think Moderna's vaccine is very promising. That's why I'm a long-term, hopefully long-term investor if it continues to move in the right direction. So with that, let's take a look at how the stock traded today, as well as some news that came out today. And yeah, so right out the bat, right, it looked kind of ugly. Again, we closed in the 125s yesterday, and we were talking about the exponential moving averages that I thought it should hold. But right out the gate, we found support at 115, and then at that point the stock thankfully moved up. So one from 115 went to 124, came back just a little bit. I thought it was going to test VWAP. It didn't, which is, fine. It was moving up, so moving the right direction, and then we went up from 121 all the way to 132 before kind of settling right at 130. And look at how flat it was for the last couple hours of the day there, and also did not participate in the kind of sell-off that happened in the last half hour. So right, Nasdaq sold off, Dow sold off, and S&P sold off. So the fact that Moderna did not, great news to me. Down to $1.23 after hours, but that's okay. We'll kind of see where it goes next from here. So let's see why it had a green day today, and this one. So they announced news on that the coronavirus sort of different, the virus, I think, mutated itself in the UK. It's a different strain, so a new strain of coronavirus caused a lot of uncertainty on whether these vaccines will work, whether life will actually get back to normal as fast as we thought it would, or whether there need to be a new vaccine, new shutdowns. A lot of uncertainty causing this. They came out with a statement kind of explaining, now I don't fully understand, to be honest with you, how vaccines work. Not super good at science, but they're saying that it's a less than a 1% difference from the spike protein that they encoded in the vaccine than the one that the new strain has. So essentially what they're saying is they're going to be testing it, but they do believe that this vaccine should be good against that spike protein as well. So good, all that's behind us, hopefully, right? And we could push forward from here. Let's take a look at the daily chart, and we'll see, some of the key levels that we are looking at, and we'll see what we see, so as of yesterday's video, right, I talked about us hitting the bottom of this 34 EMA. So we closed at 125.88. That EMA was at 124.41. So we closed at 125, EMA at 124. I talked about how I really wanted the stock to stay above this level, and if we went down, I wanted to find support there. We did not find support there, but we did close above it. So that's a win for me. A little bit of a loss. We went down all the way to 115, but now we have a potential support point down there as well. We closed above the 34 EMA, which, as you'll see here, and we'll take a look at the closing number here. Closed at 130. That 34 EMA is at 124.75. So today we're kind of $5 or $6 over that, which is great. Moving forward, I would like to see it continue to be above that 34 exponential moving average, which right now is in the 124s, but it could change daily, right? These are lines that are based on the price action. So as we get more price action, these lines will slightly change. On the downside, I would like to see this 124 hold up as support from now on if we see a little bit of a red day. But my next goal for the stock is to capture the 21 EMA, which right now is at 134.69. Definitely think the stock could do that as we get more good news on, hopefully good news, right? Fingers crossed, on the fact that this vaccine is good against that strain. So on the downside, I'm looking at the 34 EMA to this time hold up at 124, and then we've got that 115 level before the 112 level in the 55 EMA. And then on the upside, I wanted to recapture that 21 EMA at 134 after knocking out the high of 132 today. So to wrap it up, on the upside, today's high at 132, 21 EMA at 134.69. On the downside, hoping for that 34 EMA to hold us support at 124.75, the low of today at 115, and then the 55 EMA at 112.04. Long term, I think we go up from here. Short term, it could base on how the news sort of gets delivered and how the media covers it and what actually happens with this vaccine. So let me know down in the comment section what you guys are doing with Moderna. I'm continuing to hold through this. I think that this company has potential in the long term, but let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy holidays. Let's remember to be a bit better every single day, and until next time.